Hi, my name's Heidi Thiemann. I'm the Director of the Space Skills Alliance. The Space Skills Alliance is a small company focused on tackling the space skills gap. So we focus very much on collecting and publishing data and trying to advise on policy to help improve the quantity of skills in the space sector in the UK. I've always been really keen on the space industry ever since I was a kid. I was absolutely obsessed with space, and I had posters of space missions and spacecraft on my walls as a kid. So it made sense for me to go into an industry that I was really captivated by as a kid, and it's something I've always really enjoyed. I'm based in the Space Systems Operations Facility, or the SOF. And I think what's really great about the site and what attracted me was the huge number of other businesses in the space sector in Cornwall here. It's a great meeting site, it's a really lovely facility, and it's really good to meet up with other like-minded businesses in this environment. I think being in the Space Systems Operations Facility at Spaceport Cornwall is great for our growth because I get to learn about the skills needs from other companies in the sector and get to collaborate in this kind of neutral environment where all of us can feel quite relaxed and talk about these different business ideas. I think what I really like about Spaceport Cornwall and the facilities here is that not only is it a really nice environment to work in, you've got great offices, collaboration space, really comfy chairs, but it's also really inspiring to see some of the activities that other companies are doing. There's a space systems integration facility where people are going to be building satellites, launching things into space. There's a load of other non-space related businesses around as well. And I think having an environment where there is that kind of constant inspiration going on is really useful when you're working in the space sector. The facilities at Spaceport Cornwall I think will have a really huge benefit, to be honest, on space, on STEM, on education and training. It's a facility kind of like no other in Cornwall, and it's really great to have the opportunity for students or young people to see that there are jobs and careers in Cornwall in space in such an exciting way. We're looking to collaborate with businesses based at Spaceport Cornwall. So, for example, we speak regularly with Avanti Communications, we speak regularly with space professionals at Spaceport Cornwall, obviously. And we also get the opportunity to have this great meeting space. We can bring in colleges and universities and discuss the skills needs, and we can bring in other businesses around Cornwall as well to kind of help them understand what's on offer here at Spaceport Cornwall. In the next 12 months, I think we're really hoping that we'll expand as a company, hire some more people as the opportunities grow for us, but also having a more regional focus. So we work nationally, we work internationally, but really having a good focus on local space clusters is something that's going to be really important for us in the next 12 months. Something that's really important for aspiring space entrepreneurs to remember is that there are so many different problems out there that can be solved using space-related data. And it's just up to you to try and identify what those problems are and think, how can space solve your problem? There are going to be so many business opportunities coming up over the next few years that you can really take advantage of. So I think start thinking now about how space can solve your problems on Earth.